Hey guys, this is second lecture of JavaScript in which I'm going to share with you the difference between null and undefined. Both are used to check value against a variable either we defined or not. Basic difference between both undefined and null is in case of undefined we define or assign any value to a variable after creation or not. And in case of null, we intentionally assign null value to a variable or it's having response of an API or any kind of calculation. Now let's see an example of it. I'm going to declare a variable x and I'm not gonna assign any kind of value to it. Let's console.log x and console.log type of x also. Let's run our code. Both are undefined. Value of x is undefined, type of x is also undefined. Now I'm gonna declare a variable y and assigning null to it. Console.log y and type of y. Let's run again. Okay, value of y is null and type of y is object. Type of x is undefined code is primitive and type of null is object. Now let's see a second difference in between both of them after performing arithmetic operation on both x and y. I'm gonna console.log x value first and then y values. 1 plus x, we will see value of 1 plus x, 1 multiply x, and then 1 plus y and 1 multiply y. Okay. Now after multiplying and addition with x, what we got nan, not a number. When we perform addition or multiplication on an undefined kind of value, then it will give us nan, not a number. Okay. If we perform arithmetic operation with null, it's giving at least a value to us. Why? Because we consider null as 0. If we add 1 in null value, then its answer will be 1. And if we multiply null with 1, then it's giving 0. That's also a very important difference in between both undefined and null. Now if we see both undefined and null in if-else statement, then both are considered as false. First of all, I'm gonna write if-else for undefined and I am going to console.log if block and console.log else block. Let's copy it and check null value also. First one is now null if block and second is null else block. Let's run it. Okay, what we are seeing, it's have both else blocks. In case of undefined, it's considered as false. In case of null, it's also considered as false. In this case, we have one more experiment. As both are having value false, then we can compare both the values. Like if I'm console.log undefined equal equal null, then it should be true because both have same values. But if we put triple equal between them, which is going to check data types of both undefined and null, then it should be false. Why? Because undefined have data type undefined and null have data type object. Let's run it. Okay, first statement giving true, second statement is giving false. Because both have same values but not same data types. Now let's summarize 5 basic differences between both null and undefined. First one is null is an assignment value which indicate that variable points to an object. Undefined is not an assignment value where a variable has been declared but has not yet been assigned a value. Type of null is object. Type of undefined is undefined as we see previously. Then null value is a primitive value that represents the null, empty or non-existent reference, but undefined value is a kind of primitive value in which variable has not been assigned a value. In case of null, it indicates the absence of a value for a variable, but in case of undefined, it indicates absence of variable itself. And the last and important one is when we perform arithmetic operations on null, it's converted to 0. But if we perform arithmetic operations with undefined, it's converted to NaN, not a number. Hope you understand the difference between null and undefined. Thank you.